Cats, the most vicious predators in the animal kingdom. These animals may look cute, but they will rip your face off without hesitation. There are, however, two important steps you can take to protect yourself from vicious cat attacks. Cats, like the one shown here, have been known to attack their owners, sending them to the hospital with permanent scars and injuries, leaving them disabled for the rest of their lives. Don't be fooled. Behind those big eyes lies a killer in disguise. Here we see a cat innocently playing with its owner. Or do we? Notice the hollow, empty look in its eyes. This cat was obviously planning a murder. In fact, this video was found at a crime scene. The person whose arm you see in this video was murdered. The only evidence was a bit of pet catnip and a chewed up box. The first of these two very important safety precautions is called the kitty chokehold, which will prevent an attacking cat from lacerating your face. The kitty chokehold is shown here. Here we see a demonstration of the kitty chokehold. Simply place your hand around your cat's neck, squeeze it tight, shake it all around, shake it a second time, and scream at it, "I can't breathe, you're choking me, bro. I can't breathe, you're choking me, bro," until your cat stops breathing. And to protect yourself from nighttime attacks, you can place a flashing futuristic collar on your cat so it can't sneak up on you and attack you in the middle of the night.